hairs on the nipples you wanted to get cut. Oh!
Damn, that boy Frankie got it?
Fuck no.
There goes my back. I was floored when I saw Nick and Frankie on the same pallet. He had the heavy side.
Alright, that's it. So what we got here is Mr. Piazza's 21 C8. It came in averaging about 400 and I believe it was 428 horsepower, about 421 pounds of torque. Our exhaust system on it, stainless kit, picked up about 20 rear-wheel horsepower and 20 rear-wheel pounds of torque. You average it out, it's about 18. Now it's back for a cold air intake install. We're gonna make a couple pulls, see how she's doing right now, then throw the cold air on there and give y'all the results. See if it's actually gonna pick up 10 to 15 rear-wheel horsepower like the companies say they will. Stay tuned.
As far as I know, Steven, he's always messed with GM. It's weird having a Ford out in the shop. So we turned it on and it didn't turn on. Or at least what we thought it didn't turn on.
Whoa!
Hey! Woo! Hey! Stefan's down there.
We're gonna run someone over.
I mean, we'll be all right, but...
Oh, it will move with the hood up.
So... it was like completely quiet and me and Steven are like, it's not on, it's not on. Justin and Will were like, it's on, it's on. And he gave it gas and yeah, it was on.
It started moving.
It started moving.
I really hope you don't either.
Yeah, so basically,
I'm trying to start it for 5 minutes.
Pull this bad boy on the dyno. It's about to make 400. Let's see.
Do we even know if it's all-wheel drive or two-wheel drive? Like, we don't know. We don't know.
It's 4-wheel drive.
Is it? Is it 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive?
Should be selective, but...
Bro, I seriously got in this thing and tried to start it for 5 minutes.
Hey,
maybe 2 minutes.
This is pretty sick.
But look, so, I mean, I'm used to getting in and hearing engines. You get in it, I did this, there's no noise. And look, like the engine's not running, but if you put it in gear, it moves. But now watch, if you rev it up, then you'll hear the 6-cylinder turn on. Watch. Now it's on. What? Is that crazy or what, bro?
I think he said
It's still running, I think.
Hey, is yours EcoBoost? That's fucked up.
Hey, you got a power boost on that old Mustang over there?
Got the tires on it now. It's ready for whatever.
Oh, the Porsche.
Justin's calling people out.
I brought the Porsche today just for those tires.
Ooh! You gonna race the Porsche today?
No.
Come
Why
on.
not?
Slow.
It's all-wheel
Alright,
drive and
I'll
weighs
drive
as
it.
much as you.
I'll drive it. I'll drive it.
Yeah, okay.
We'll do it.
I'll take
We'll do
that.
it. I'm taking your keys, Justin. I'm gonna race.
It don't spin.
Neither
Don't-
does mine.
don't-
It shouldn't with
Don't-
200 horsepower.
Don't try to do a burnout.
I know mine won't.
Work order.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a Halltech. We've yet to do a cold air on a C8. It's pretty sad to say that.
Oh yeah,
This
we've
will be
only
the-
done the air filter.
Yeah, this will be the first like aftermarket one that we've actually tested. So I'm curious to see the gains, if any.
Frank the tank.
We'll open it up and let you guys see what it looks like. Love Christmas time. Let's. I mean, look. Will ordered this obviously. I don't even know, is it a whole new basket or just the air filter different?
Hey, be careful, it's so fragile, okay?
Fragile. All right, what do we got? What do we got?
We got 2 wasps.
Dun, dun, dun.
They got some hornets going on
All
there.
right, so where do I pull? Ready?
Oh dang, it's a
Hold on.
everything.
Oh yeah. Let me take this.
Hey, they came for
Go
the
ahead.
real thing. Yeah. It's a whole box. and
Maybe it
all.
will pick up.
So there's a whole new box. I'll take that.
Probably the hardware.
It's got a big blue filter in it.
Ooh, does it?
Yeah, it does.
So it's got factory for the math, and then yeah, it does have a big blue filter in it. All right. I'm curious to see if it picks up anything. I guess a little heat shield too. Nice.
Nice hardware. Not a proper Corvette until it's a Halltech. Slick, y'all, was slick.
This is
All right.
nice.
All right, how
When
many
are we getting the Faraday box?
horsepower guesses? Anybody?
15.
15 rear wheel
15?
horsepower?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say
Because he's
8.
got exhaust, right?
Yeah, we already picked up over 20 with just the exhaust. I'm gonna say 8 rear wheel horsepower.
Dan?
How much, Dan?
I'll just do 9.
Airbox. Dan said 1 horsepower.
Yeah, 1 horsepower.
Dan said 1.
Frankie?
What you got, Frank the tank?
11.
Good call.
7. How much do you think he's going to pick up?
Just an airbox.
Airbox swap. He's got exhaust.
How much rear wheel? Just horsepower. How much?
Woo!
How much?
Confident.
For the second guess. I said 8. He said
11.
12.
He said 12.
5.
Hey, Dan said 1. And then Stefan said 20.
20.
All right, let's install it. Who's installing this thing? Chris, you installing it?
This old stock thing coming out of here.
Yeah. So these are obviously a little different than your normal C7, C6, C5, where there's just one entry point for the airflow. You can actually see it comes in the vents on both sides, through the air filter, into the throttle body. So it is a completely redesigned
Those vents right
system
there.
from what us Corvette guys are used to. And man, we'll take this apart to show you what the stock air filter looks like too, just to give you all an idea once we tear this apart.
Because that's like plastic, so you're just gonna have to drill those out, and then it comes with screws, and these are threaded here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, yeah, it comes with all the same mounting brackets for the heat shields,
For everything.
everything. Yeah, it's a nice product by Halltech.
Hell yeah. Map on.
Hopefully we pick up a few ponies as well.
Like always, he probably puts it on there.
Right? Yeah, that air filter is way bigger. That one right over Hey, be gentle, okay? Treat her nicely.
Of course. Is there a right and a left? Or?
Oh, you need the, look at the arrows, because the air is coming through the vent, in the door, behind the door, and into the box.
Both sides or just one side?
Just one.
What kind of results we come up with, Mr. Steve?
Well, I predicted what, 8?
Yeah.
I think. What did everyone? Was I the lowest?
No. Who said 7?
Oh,
Did
someone did
say
the
7?
dollar under. Who said no one better said 7?
Yeah, you
Oh,
said 14. Stefan said 20.
Well, I said 8. And guys,
I think you got it.
I would love to say that this thing made more than it did. And again, every test is different, every car is different, but we did it on the exact same day. As y'all saw, we made 3 back-to-back pulls with the air filter, the stock air box with I think it was just a K&N in it. So it wasn't a completely stock versus Halltech. It was I think it's the K&N air filter we put in it.
That's right.
From the last go around when we did the exhaust. And then again, same day, we took it apart, put the Halltech on it. Again, Halltech's a great product. We used their stuff on C7, C6 stuff before. Nothing negative to say. We're just gonna share our results that we did. It is what it is. I'm not gonna fluff it or lie or do anything else. So if y'all see our first 3 runs, 453, 454, 454, that was with, I'll call it the K&N air filter and our catback exhaust. Then the next 3 pulls, we installed the Halltech. 454, 456, 458. Again, not impressive gains, but it is still gains. Torque is about the same. Horsepower, you're talking anywhere between 2 and 5. If I show you all let's do this. The worst baseline versus the best with the Halltech, y'all can see up top, it does pick up about 5 rear wheel horsepower across the board, about 6,700 and up. It picks up probably 5, but again, the torque curve's pretty much identical and didn't really pick up much until 5,700 RPM and up. But all in all, you know, again, it gained something, which, you know, is when we're talking rear wheel horsepower, 5 rear wheel horsepower is roughly, let's say, 14 to 20 flywheel on an engine dyno. So it is a little bit better than stock. I was hoping for more. I know everyone else was hoping for more. I know the customer was hoping for more, but again, I'm not gonna lie and say it did something it didn't. So those were our results, and we might test another one here in the future here soon. So we'll keep you updated. Comment below if y'all have done a Halltech test, stock before and after, or if you've done any other brands, and let me know if y'all's results have gotten anywhere close to what we just saw today.